In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload high-quality videos on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here to go to menu. Then tap at that gear to open up settings and privacy. Then scroll down until you find media. And that's where we can easily find video quality preferences. All you have to do now is check if it is set to optimized. If data saver is selected, just switch it to optimized. That will not allow to set lower resolution for your videos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.